Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Find My iPhone. For this, first of all, just open up the settings application here. And then in settings, you have to tap on your Apple ID. Just make sure you are logged into your Apple account. That is required to turn off Find My iPhone. And previously, it used to be on your iCloud. But now there is a new option. As you can see, this Find My, you can see it. You have to click on it and it will bring you on this page where it says Find My iPhone is on, or depending on your device, it could be Find My iPad. You have to click on this right here and then you have to toggle this off if you want to turn this off. As you can see, you have to enter your password and then you have to tap on this turn off, because it is not be able, because that is not be able to do without my Apple ID. So you have to enter your password. So just simply enter the password, and as soon as you type your password, this should be turned off. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.